Hello devs, welcome back to another series. I'm Lee, and today we're going to be talking about our new web browser that we're going to be creating in WPF using the MVVM design pattern. If you've been here for a long time, you'll know that we've made web browsers in the past. This next one is going to be a little bit different because not only are we using a different design pattern, but we're also going to be making it to publish. So when we've created it, it's going to be a community driven kind of project, and this is going to start in the new year. So on the 1st of January, I'm hoping to have the first part out. This video is just like an overview of what's going to be going on, what's changed, like what's different about this web browser compared to the other ones. If you've seen any of my past web browser tutorials, you'll notice that one, it was very amateurish. It was we never used any kind of design pattern. We just used code behind, and it got really messy. And truth be told, I was learning along with you. When I was creating these web browsers, the project wasn't just for you, it was for me as well. It was something that I was learning as we went along. This series is hopefully a little bit more structured. Not only I'll be teaching myself as well, because this is the first time I've created a web browser using the MVVM design pattern, but it's gonna be more focused on actually teaching you something. Over the past year, I think it's been about a year now since I put one out, and since then I've learned quite a lot. As a programmer, you'll never know everything, and I'm sure most of you will understand that. And you don't need to know everything. That's the thing. As long as you've got a decent understanding and you understand how to look for certain things, you'll be fine. Anyway, I'm going off topic. So this web browser series is going to be more advanced. We're going to try and make something that's a little bit different. As you can see, it does look similar to most web browsers. This is the web browser that we're going to be creating. It does look similar to most web browsers. You've got your tabs, you've got your download manager. That's one thing I know that a few people was really wanting. So we're going to do that as well. And we've got like our menu system. We're going to create this as a user control rather than using any built-in menus. And then you've got your web browser, of course. But I think the selling point for this application is going to be this secure browse. And this is something I've never seen. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've never actually seen it. And it's a place where, well, let me show you. This is going to be our secure browse. And it's just going to be another window that pops up, just like on private browse or incognito or whatever you use. It's not going to really save any of your browsing data or anything like that. But also, you need to log in to actually access it. So you could potentially save your browsing data if you wanted to, but you'd only be able to access that browsing data if you was to log in. And I think that's a really good selling point, because I think, you know, whatever you're using the web browser for, whether it's you're looking for presents for a birthday or whatever, and you've got a nosy partner, they're not going to be able to see what you're looking at, and you might want to look at other things. Wink wink. I think this is going to be a really good selling point for this web browser. It's something that I've never seen before. I might be wrong. Like I say, I've never gone searching. I just thought it's an interesting concept, and I think it'll be really cool to implement. It'll teach us quite a lot of things. Not only are we learning about the web browser and the download manager, etc., and creating user controls, we're actually learning about authentication and encryption and decryption and stuff like that. And I think it's going to be a really, really good series, and I really hope that it sparks a little interest in you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you can see whenever I post. And because this will be premiering on the 1st of January, so it's going to be a brand new little series for us to start off the new year, and we're going to learn some new stuff. And we're also going to be learning the MVVM. If you want to get a job as a developer, it's so important to learn that. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video so I know that you're interested, and please leave me a comment of any implementations that you'd be interested in seeing in the web browser, and I'll see what I can do. I'm going to start making the videos obviously sooner, but I will be posting them on the 1st of January. I'm pushing for every week. Okay, so let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.